Brazil is famous for its futebol, so it's no wonder that there are many expressions with the word bola in them. In this video, we're going to learn 3 expressions with the word bola that are very common in colloquial conversation in Brazil. Olá pessoal, welcome to another video. Today we're going to see 3 expressions that are actually listed in my ebook, Show de Bola, that you can download for free from my website, link in the description. These 3 expressions that we're seeing today have one thing in common, the word bola. So let's start with the actual title of my free book, Show de Bola. The expression show de bola is used to describe something that you think is very good, brilliant, great, of excellent quality. Esse carro é show de bola. The next expression is pisar na bola, literally to step on the ball. This means to make a mistake, to mess up, the equivalent in English of to drop the ball. Say you make a mistake or you disappointed someone by doing something you shouldn't have, you could say the equivalent of sorry, I messed up. Desculpa, pisei na bola. The third and last expression we're going to see is dar bola. This can be to flirt, to check someone out. Aquele cara tá dando bola pra você. Depending on the context, this expression can also mean to pay attention to someone or something. For example, to say, I don't pay attention to rude people, that would be, eu não dou bola para as pessoas mal educadas. So now let's go back and practice the pronunciation of these phrases. Repeat after me. Esse carro é show de bola. Desculpa, pisei na bola. Aquele cara tá dando bola para você. Eu não dou bola para as pessoas mal educadas. And now if you'd like to practice your writing, make up a sentence using one of these expressions and write it in the comments. And don't forget that you can download the free ebook Show de Bola 100 Expressions in Brazilian Portuguese from my website, link in the description. Muito obrigado. I've been Fernando from funwithbrazilianportuguese.com. Até a próxima. Tchau.